How to grow Drosera capensis successfully. Drosera capensis, also known as the Cape sundew, is a carnivorous plant that is fairly easy to grow. To successfully cultivate Drosera capensis, there are a few important factors to consider. Firstly, it is essential to provide the plant with the right growing conditions. Drosera capensis thrives in humid environments with plenty of light. Placing the plant near a south-facing window, where it can receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day, is ideal. Next, the soil should be well draining, as the plant is sensitive to waterlogging. A mixture of peat moss and sand is commonly used for planting and repotting Drosera capensis. Regular watering is necessary to keep the soil moist but not saturated. One crucial aspect of growing Drosera capensis is its feeding requirements. Being carnivorous plants, they obtain essential nutrients by trapping and digesting insects. It is best to feed them live insects like fruit flies, gnats, or small ants. Do not use any chemical fertilizers, as the plant relies on its prey for nutrition. Maintaining high humidity around the plant is important for its health and growth. Placing a tray filled with water near the plant, or using a humidifier, can help increase the humidity level. Avoid misting the leaves directly, as it can damage the delicate tentacles. Lastly, it is important to provide the plant with a period of dormancy during winter. Drosera capensis requires a cooler temperature around 12 to 15 C and reduced watering during this time. Keep the plant in a well-ventilated area with indirect light until spring. By following these guidelines, you can successfully cultivate Drosera capensis and enjoy the beauty of this unique and intriguing carnivorous plant. Remember to be patient and attentive to the plant's needs, and you will be rewarded with a thriving and fascinating addition to your collection.